Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Soobin and Arin fortune harmony analysis. A request has been made to analyze the harmony between the lovely MC Soobin and Arin of Music Bank. They have a very good fortune structure. There are a variety of energy needed, and there are a very pretty look in fortune. Let's analyze it together. Soobin is a candor in his fortune. Candors are thoughtful and warm-hearted. Arin is a jewel in fortune. Jewelry is a bit tricky, but it has a high self-esteem that it is special. But jewelries don't like candles because candles are hot. Stage 1 is not a very good meeting. They definitely have letters that mean popularity in their fortunes. These are letters marked with pink hearts, and they are located in a powerful place. But Soobin's fortune suggests that his wife and children are all good at their part and have a great family. The letters marked with blue hearts are the spirit of his wife and children, but they are all made up of the energy to meet precious beings. It's so cool. I envy you. And interestingly, they have the same energy as themselves side by side, marked in a circle. This means that they are proud and competitive. As I explained in the previous picture, Soobin is blessed with a family. This part is marked by a blue box. However, in fortune, one letter has many meanings. He also has wealth and honor. I'm sure he will be able to collect wealth, and he will have the honor to put Soobin's name as a brand. And the two letters on the far right of the picture are the ones that make him attractive. Soobin, all the letters are nice and beautiful. Arin has a very good flow of energy. Energy is gathering to Arin herself as it flows and flows. There is also exactly a letter of honor, and she has wealth. The fact that energy is gathered to herself means that she has a lot of help around her and that she is loved by seniors. It also means that the surrounding situation is tailored to her. It's a good fortune, but they are not good at speaking among language skills. In order to be on good terms with each other, they have to express their feelings to the other person in words. But this part is a little unfortunate, and Arin's child energy is weak. I am a bit disappointed in this part too. However, the commonality of being competitive and the sureness of the spouse's energy seem to be very good. They are all very pretty fortune. I'll give them 85% of their fortune harmony score. Please develop further and succeed in the future. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.